Tired of members spamming your announcement channel? Learn how to lock any Discord channel in under 2 minutes. So here's the deal. You've set up a perfect announcement channel, maybe even a rules page, and suddenly someone's posting memes in it or asking questions where they shouldn't. It's frustrating, right? But the fix is actually really simple once you know where to look. I'll show you 3 ways to handle this. Make a channel read-only so people can see but not type, hide it entirely so nobody even knows it exists, or quickly convert it to a private channel for specific people only. Let's start with the first option, because this is probably the one you'll use the most. Option 1 is making a channel read-only. This is perfect for rules or announcements where you want everyone to be able to read past messages, but you absolutely do not want them sending new ones. Right-click on the channel name in your server list, or tap and hold if you're on mobile. Then select Edit Channel. Now go to the Permissions tab on the left sidebar. You'll see a list of roles and members here. Click on the @Everyone role. This is the default role that applies to literally every single person in your server. Scroll down to the Text Channel Permissions section. You're looking for Send Messages. Click the red X next to it to disable it. And here's the really important part. Don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom right. I've watched people do all this work and then wonder why nothing changed, because they skipped that last step. So click Save Changes. And now your channel is locked. People can read, but they can't type a thing. Now, let's say you want to take it a step further. Maybe you have a channel that's meant for staff only, or you're planning something secret and you don't want regular members to even see it. That's option 2, hiding a channel entirely. Right-click that channel again and select Edit Channel. Go back to the Permissions tab. Click on the @Everyone role once more. This time, locate View Channel in the settings and click the red X to disable it. What this does is make the channel completely invisible to anyone who isn't specifically given permission to see it. They won't see it in the channel list, they won't see its history, it's like it doesn't exist to them. Now, the channel is truly private. And then there's option 3, which I honestly think is the fastest method if you're starting fresh or you want to completely reset permissions for a channel. Go to Edit Channel and then Permissions. At the top of the permissions screen, you'll see a toggle labeled Private Channel. Click that toggle to turn it on. It'll ask you to confirm the change, and when you do, it instantly locks out the @Everyone role. From there, you can manually add only the specific roles or individual people who should have access. It's a quick way to turn any channel into a private space without having to scroll through a bunch of settings. So there you have it. 3 different ways to lock down a Discord channel, depending on what you need. If you want people to read but not type, go with option 1. If you want to hide a channel completely, use option 2. And if you want to quickly set up a private channel from scratch, option 3 is your best bet. I've tested all 3 of these methods myself, and they work every time. Your server will feel so much more organized once you get these permissions set up. If this helped you out, consider subscribing for more practical Discord tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.